Today I am super excited for epic furniture flips with another Mackenzie Childs twist. And let's get flipping! Home decor, DIYs, thrift flips, dupes, hacks, and more. Welcome to CJ DIY. This old furniture piece is from my daughter's bedroom, and it's been collecting dust in my garage for ages and my husband's tools. And I decided today to give it a nice fresh makeover. With my favorite techniques and some simple tools, I will flip this furniture into one-of-a-kind stunning piece. The best way to paint the furniture is those foam paint rollers and a nice matte finish chalkboard black paint. I got that paint from Walmart, and I will give 3 nice coats of this paint, and everything will be covered within minutes. The weather was stunning, and I work on this furniture on my backyard, and it was just few minutes and everything was nice and dry, and this furniture was ready for a new life. This is how it looks after 2 good coats. I will let it dry and then I'll finish off with the 3rd layer coat for that part. Now for the desk, I am repeating the same step. 3 coats with these foam paint rollers. Those are the best to cover the whole furniture, and you don't need to worry about the brush strokes. And you can use any color per your taste. Doesn't need to be black, any color, and you can remake any old furniture that you have, or you can pick up on the side of the road or a thrift store, doesn't matter. This is how it looks when it was all nice and dry. And now it's the fun part, to add all those beautiful details and embellishments. For the inside part, I will be adding this wallpaper that I got in my stash. You can also add those peel and stick papers that Dollar Tree is selling, or just any beautiful decorative paper for the inside part. It's gonna do its job and it's gonna look so beautiful. For the outside part, I decided to go with this golden finish Harley Quinn design. This is from Redesign with Prima. I have it for ages. I will try to find the link below if you're interested. Also, I see some of them are selling similar like these decoupage sheets if you cannot find these transfers. And now I'm starting with the top cabinet and going over with the scraping tool around my blocks, and made sure all that golden transfer design is on my furniture piece. Rub-on transfers are one of my favorite techniques that I've been using throughout my whole creations, and they're so easy to do, and they're so beautiful and unique, and you're gonna have a one-of-a-kind decoration at the end of the day. After I finish it off, I'm gonna burnish it with my header sheet that it came with, and then I am starting on the 2nd row, and I'm repeating the same step like I did on the 1st row with these beautiful transfers, and I really love how it looks. Mackenzie Childs are selling similar accent chests with this design for almost $2,000. Can you imagine? And now I'm going back to my furniture, and I'm using the gilded etiquettes from IOD and adding more golden finish embellishments with the scraping tool. I'm just transferring this golden finish. And for the bottom row, I will be adding this Queen of the Nile from the Gilded Curated Signage Iron Orchid Design collection, and I am transferring it on with my scraper in the middle part on the last row on my cabinet. I grab even my Cricut scraping tool because this transfer have so many little words and details. I want everything to be transferred on my furniture, and it came out stunning. Also, for my drawers, I cut off more transfers from the Gilded Etiquette Iron Orchid Designs transfers, and I am adding those labels on the drawers and finishing the makeover on this furniture flip. This gold finish and the Harley Quinn and checkerboard are so hot and trendy this year. I know lots of you are not a fan of that golden finish, but you can always add any kind of design that you prefer, or just repaint your old furniture and give it a new look. You don't need to add all those details that I added today, but this is my personal taste and I really love all those beautiful details that it came with. I am in love with it. Another detail that I will be adding is this beautiful wood cutout from Dollar Tree. I just removed the beads and painted in a golden finish, and I am adding this part on the top part of my furniture, and it looks so cohesive and beautiful, and it looks like originally this furniture was made like this. To finish off and to seal it, all those transfers and paint, I give it a nice coat of clear DIY wax, and this is the look how it looks. It will be a better view inside of the house. Now it's so bright because of the sun and the light. You will see all those little details inside and how I decorated later on this video. Also, this video is part of another amazing thrift flip road trip challenge hosted by my darling friends. And let's see what they got to say.
Welcome to the Thrift Flip Road Trip. Today we're driving into an exciting open challenge brought to you by Unicorn Dust Designs, Crafting Cousins, and our special guest host, Jody at Southern Seasons. Watch as talented creators transform forgotten treasures into something extraordinary. And here's the best part. We're giving away fabulous prizes to 5 lucky winners. Prizes include a Dremel rotary toolkit from Homeridge Studio, a micro sander and a pair of miter snips from Happiness Created, a $25 Amazon gift card from Farmhouse Frugally, and 2 wood craft kits from Crafting Cousins. To enter, just watch the September Thrift Flip Road Trip playlist and comment your favorite project from each creator on their video. You must comment on every video to be eligible to win. Mark your calendar for September 28th when we will announce the winners on our community tabs. I'm sorry, due to shipping costs, the giveaway is only open to U.S. residents. Don't miss out on this chance to win, and be sure to spread the love by following the playlist link in the description box below.
My next inspiration is this courtly check pedestal tabletop urn from Mackenzie's that they're selling for $199 and more. They got different sizes. I have this similar vase that I thrifted few years back for like $3.99. For the middle part with my permanent black marker and the bottom part of my brush, I'm drawing straight lines and creating that checkerboard. I will be creating those horizontal lines first from front and on the back, and then I will do vertical lines as well until we get those checkerboards in it too. And I have a little visit from my little Fiki, my little Pomeranian. My daughter brought him to me just so he can inspect and see how I am doing my job. He's so cute. I love him so much. I'm going over and creating a horizontal lines, as you can see, just to finish off this checkerboard print, and after that I will paint off those blocks with a black matte finish paint. I am also drawing blocks, the bottom part of this vase, similar like our inspiration piece. And just to give you an idea, this is how I started painting all these blocks. It was so easy. When you create this pattern with the marker, you just going over with the tiny brush and creating a patterns into a checkerboard print, and this is how it looks. For the middle part on the ribs of this vase, I am creating patterns and painting them with a black paint and give that tradition with a twist that Mackenzie Childs products are known for, with their distinctive designs characterized by vibrant colors and overlaying patterns. Before I add that golden shimmer, I'm also painting the top on the vase with black, and then I'm creating more stripe in the middle part of my vase and painting them also with a black paint. I also went with a white paint around my vase too, and then I created golden trims around the neck of the vase and in the middle part and also on top, and you have a perfect, beautiful inspiration look, and it's gonna look perfect in my cabinet that I made over today. Now with the golden marker and the golden paint, I'm going over the whole vase and adding that golden shimmer that Mackenzie Childs are known for. And for the inside part, I spray painted with the black paint, and this makeover is done. Another amazing piece that I am admiring from Mackenzie Childs collection is this Gambit accent table that they're selling for almost $1,300, and I wanted to remake something similar like that. I have this tall finial for ages and it's thrifted. I only purchased it for a few dollars. I spray painted with a semi-gloss black finish. I let it dry, and now I am creating patterns similar like that table have. I am creating triangles on the bottom part with my golden marker from Dollar Tree, and I will be painting those triangles first. Now that I finish off the pattern on the bottom part of my pedestal, I am creating stripes in the middle part, and I'm painting some of them in a golden finish and leaving some of them with a black finish. You don't need to add the golden finish. You can add any kind of color that you prefer. You can add some white paint, cream, brown, with cream mixed. I mean, the sky is the limit. You can even make any beautiful natural look colors. Doesn't need to be this black and gold finish. If you're a lover of a natural look, I think pedestals like this can look beautiful with like a beige and cream color, creating all those patterns like that and make it cohesive with your home decor. To finish off, I'm creating more stripes on the top part of my pedestal and painting it with the gold stripes. I'm also going with this golden shimmer paint from Dollar Tree around my golden finish, and that part is done. As a top, I will be using this glass from Dollar Tree. I spray painted with this Harley Quinn stencil and a frosted glass spray paint, and this is how it looks. I also have this round plastic who looks like a glass in my stash. I also spray painted with that Harley Quinn finish because I couldn't decide should I go with a larger glass top or a smaller top. Either way it will work. And now for another detail, I'm creating a little finial with these half beads and a bead on top and that metallic knob that I have in my stash, creating something similar like my inspiration top piece and painting it in a gold finish, and that's it. And now it is time for you to see the final reveal for my furniture armor that I made over today. I also added the lights, LED lights with a remote on the 3 cabinet rows. And here how it looks. I hope I gave you tons of inspiration with these Mackenzie Childs inspired pieces. For more Mackenzie Childs episodes, you can check out my playlist. There is tons of ideas that they won't break a bank, and you're gonna make your home into a gorgeous boutique. And for more thrift flip trash to treasure inspiration, don't forget to check out the amazing playlist with my darling friends Trish and Kay, Sammy and Jody, and all those talented creators. I will pin the link in the comments. If you like to enter for the giveaways, you need to watch the whole playlist and you need to add a comment on each video, and good luck to everybody. And if you like this content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. If you have any questions and suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. And my darlings, I'm sending you lots of love and blessings. Stay blessed. Until next time, from me to you. Bye-bye.